Hook, have you ever found yourself in a financial pinch, desperately needing funds to cover an unexpected expense? You've probably considered using a mobile banking app like Monzo. But does it really transfer money instantly? Let's dive in and find out. What is Monzo? A brief overview of Monzo as a digital bank. Highlight its features: instant transfers, fee-free spending abroad, and budgeting tools. Instant transfers, the myth and the reality. The myth: many people believe that Monzo transfers happen instantaneously, like magic. The reality: while Monzo is known for its speed, it's not always instant. Factors affecting transfer speed. Time of day: peak hours can lead to slight delays. Transfer amount: larger transfers might take a bit longer. Receiving bank: the speed also depends on the recipient's bank's processing time. The instant transfer process, a breakdown. Step-by-step guide. Opening the Monzo app. Navigating to the send or pay section. Entering the recipient's details. Confirming the transfer. Real-time demonstration: show a screen recording of a Monzo transfer in action. Instant transfers: when to expect them. Typical scenarios. Transfers between Monzo accounts. Transfers to other UK banks. Transfers to selected international banks. Exceptions. Transfers to less common banks or countries. Transfers made during bank holidays or system maintenance. The benefits of instant transfers. Convenience: no more waiting in line at the bank. Time saving: quick access to funds when you need them. Emergency situations: ideal for unexpected expenses. Alternatives to instant transfers. Faster Payment Service, FPS, a UK-wide system for same-day payments. International transfers: discuss options like SWIFT and SEPA. Cash machines, a traditional method for quick withdrawals. Conclusion. Recap: summarize the key points about Monzo's instant transfers. Final thoughts: emphasize the convenience and speed of Monzo's transfers, but also mention that there might be exceptions. Call to action: encourage viewers to try Monzo for themselves. Ending. Sharp ending: so, does Monzo transfer instantly? Well, it's close enough to feel like magic most of the time. But remember, there are factors that can affect the speed. If you're looking for a quick and convenient way to send money, Monzo is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.